If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
Welcome to the demonstration series for the RUCKUS Analytics Cloud Service for Network Intelligence and Service Assurance. The videos in the series will describe the various views, services, and capabilities of the RUCKUS Analytics platform. In this video, I'll describe the data presented in the Applications Report dashboard. So let's get started. Here I am logged into RUCKUS Analytics. You access the Applications Report dashboard by navigating to and expanding Report on the left side pane. Then click on the Applications link. This will open the Applications Report dashboard. The Applications Report contains details of the applications predefined by RUCKUS Analytics that are accessed by users. Let's start at the top of the page. As with most reports, there's the time selection field, which allows you to determine the time span of the data represented in the report. And next to that is the filter selection field that allows you to select the devices to include in the report. These fields are covered in detail in a separate presentation of this video series. Now let's look at the various tiles available in this report. At the top is the Overview tile. It provides an overview of all applications recognized by the Application Recognition Engine and the traffic volumes that these applications consume. In this tile you can see the number of recognized applications, the volume of recognized application traffic that has been transmitted by and received by APs in the network, and the percentage and volume of traffic these applications consume compared to the total traffic. Below that is the Top Applications by Traffic tile. It displays which applications are consuming the most traffic in both a donut chart and graph formats. Passing your mouse over the applications in the donut show the total throughput for each application. The graph shows throughput over time at specific intervals. There's a drop-down that allows you to choose whether to display transmitted data only, received data only, or total user traffic. The other drop-down allows you to adjust the granularity of the graph. Depending on the time range of the report, you may be able to select from minutes, hours, or days, and potentially weeks or months. Within the graph, the squares allow selection or deselection of applications to display in the graph. The colors of these squares correspond to the colors on the donut chart. And passing your mouse over any plot point will display a pop-up box detailing the throughput of each of the selected applications at that time interval. The table view displays the same data in a table format. By default, it displays the top 10 applications by traffic, but this can be changed with the drop-down box. Additionally, you can use the gear icon to modify which columns are displayed and can increase the number of rows to display per page. Next, we have the Top Application by Client Count tile. It displays the applications that are most frequently being used by the clients in the network over the specified time interval. This tile also contains a donut chart and a graph. The passing of your mouse over an application in the donut shows the total number of clients using that application over the selected time period. The graph allows adjustment of granularity with the drop-down and allows a selection or deselection of applications by clicking on the squares. The table view displays the same data in a table format. Like the previous tile, by default, it displays the top 10 applications, but this can be changed with the drop-down. And again, you can use the gear icon to modify which columns are displayed and can increase the number of rows to display per page. As with most reports in RUCKUS Analytics, this report can be exported to a comma-separated value CSV file or to a PDF. Selecting the CSV option contains all the raw data that populates each of the tables, graphs, and data points combined in a single zip file. The PDF export output looks very similar to the screen you're viewing now, with each of the current tiles, graphs, and tables displayed in the same graphical format. This completes the presentation describing the RUCKUS Analytics Application Report dashboard. I hope you found this information useful and hope you return for more of the presentations in this RUCKUS Analytics series. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.